Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to seamlessly transfer cryptocurrency from Binance to your Wix website. Let's jump right in. Step 1 is to set up your Wix website for crypto payments. Log into your Wix account and navigate to the payment settings. Here, you can enable cryptocurrency options. Next, if you don't have a Binance account, you'll need to create one. Access Binance website and follow the prompts to register and verify your account. Now it's time to find your Wix crypto wallet address. Go to your Wix settings and look for the cryptocurrency wallet section. Copy your unique wallet address carefully. With your wallet address copied, head over to Binance. Select the option to withdraw funds, paste your Wix wallet address, and choose the amount you want to transfer. Before finalizing, double-check all details and confirm the transaction. You'll receive a notification once the transfer process has begun. After a short wait, check your Wix account to verify the receipt of your cryptocurrency. This usually takes just a few minutes. If you encounter any issues during the transfer, double-check your wallet address and contact Binance support if needed. Common issues include mistakes in the address or network congestion. And there you have it. You now know how to transfer crypto from Binance to your Wix website. Remember to manage your transactions wisely and keep your wallet secure. Thanks for watching.